Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if the application is not opening. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page we're greeted by from where we can get started with using the application. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to do translate, set up our application and fix if the application isn't opening. So basically, first reinstall the application. If you already have it downloaded, go ahead and delete it from your mobile phone, then go to the App Store just like I explained and install it again. See if this fixes the problem. If not, you're going to restart your device completely. So completely go ahead and turn off your device and turn it on again to see if it fixes any cage problems that might be happening with your phone. If it still isn't opening it up, then what you're going to do is go ahead and contact customer support. Go to Google, search for DeepL customer support, or just go to the settings right here if you can open up the home page and explain to them what the problem is, give them all their info such as what device you're using, what software version and so on, and then they're going to walk you through step by step on how to fix it and how to get the application working on your mobile phone. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.